In silos like these and in bulk containers around the world, hundreds of millions of dollars are stored every day. Stored in the form of essential raw materials waiting to be processed for industrial and consumer markets. If your work involves keeping silos, storage bins, and hoppers on the go, hands-on, day to day, or you're concerned with managing the productivity of bulk storage containers, you already know that to make facilities like these pay their way, you've got to be in control where it counts, on the job, and on the bottom line. You also know the high cost of material blockage and hang-ups, problems that lead to reduced storage capacity, losses in inventory, contamination of materials, destructive insect infestation, damage to storage containers, and critical human losses due to injuries and fatalities caused on the job. These are costs that have been difficult to avoid in the past. But now, with the Power Lance and Gyro Whip from Northern Vibrator Manufacturing Limited, you can get the control you need, using a system that eliminates blockages and hang-ups faster, easier, more safely, with an economy and efficiency that is unique. The result of design and testing under the most rigorous safety and performance standards, the Power Lance and the Gyro Whip can handle even the most difficult and dangerous types of material blockages, problems like bridging. Bridges form when large volumes of material consolidate, spanning a cross-section of the storage container. These blockages can develop at any time, but they're particularly frequent during the summer months when humidity levels are high. First, the Power Lance is used to attack the bridge from underneath. Working from beneath exploits gravity in our favor and means the level of material can be lowered much more effectively. As the drill penetrates the bridge, loose material above naturally drains through the hole created by the Power Lance. Gaining access to the bin involves a simple safety-first approach. Here, company personnel are cutting a hole just over 15 centimeters in diameter near the base of the silo. Leaving a clearance of 2.2 meters from the entry hole to the floor below enables easy positioning of the Power Lance. 2 holes drilled into the floor facilitate clamping, and leveling screws allow the frame to be quickly leveled, making the equipment secure for work. Work that can be safely done from outside the silo. The drill head is attached to the first length of pipe and placed in the access hole. A second length of pipe is then attached, and the drive bar is engaged. With the air supply turned on, drilling begins. Raising and lowering the Power Lance is accomplished with an air motor drive. Control is quick and easy. With the exit hole created and the job of the Power Lance complete, the Gyro Whip is lowered in from the top of the bin to finish the job. The Gyro Whip opens up the hole with equal effectiveness, clearing away any remaining materials with high speed efficiency. Power requirements are low and simple, needing only a compressed air supply with a minimum pressure of 6 kilopascals per centimeter squared and a volume of 2.8 cubic meters per minute. Manpower requirements are also greatly reduced. Setup and operation can be easily and quickly handled by a 2-man team. The entire system is both compact and fully portable. Mounted on wheels, it rolls into position when and where you need it. The Gyro Whip is positioned in the bin by means of a positioning boom. The positioning boom is easily assembled through a manhole entrance at the top of the bin in as little as 20 minutes. Our largest boom extends as far out as 6.5 meters from the manhole and gives you full 360-degree rotation. For jobs in smaller bins, the mini boom offers up to 2.4 meters of reach and 180-degree rotation. The arm can be raised from the vertical to the horizontal by a cable attached near the end of the arm. Built to knock down even solidly compacted material, the Gyro Whip uses specially designed whips or blades rotating at speeds up to 1800 RPM. The force generated by the gyro whip is so great that a specially designed and patented gyro motor must be used to stabilize it. This ensures total control and eliminates any possibility of the gyro whip twisting or turning out of position. Handling is made smooth and reliable. Throughout the operation, there is never a need to send a man inside the bin. Traditionally, removing bridges and other hang-ups relied on methods and tools that weren't properly designed for the job, requiring workers to enter the silo in order to manually dig out compacted material, and risking injury or burial if a bridge or hang-up collapsed. Even when normal safety regulations have been observed, unnecessary dangers have too often remained. In a study focusing on the grain handling industry in the United States, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration analyzed a sample of the fatalities related to grain handling. The study examined 105 cases involving 126 incidents of worker fatality. All were recorded in just the 5-year period from 1977 through 1981. The OSHA study showed that in close to a quarter of the fatalities documented, workers were removing material hang-ups such as bridges. Burial and suffocation was the major cause of death. At Northern Vibrator Manufacturing Limited, we're dedicated to more effective solutions, built on innovation and experience. Whether it's removing bridges or any other type of material hang-up or build-up, the gyro whip and the power lance give you the control you need. More cost-effective, more flexible, more portable, more reliable, faster, easier to use, safer. The gyro whip and the power lance, proving themselves worldwide, across North America, in Europe, Asia, and Japan, solving problems on the biggest operations and the smallest, putting you in control where it counts.